Hello and welcome to this helpful tech guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in the Instagram app on your Android phone. Dark mode not only looks great, but it also helps reduce eye strain and can save battery life on AMOLED screens. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Then, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Within the list, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Dark Mode from the accessibility settings. You'll see three options: On, Off, and System Default. Select On to activate dark mode manually. And just like that, your Instagram will now appear in dark mode. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video with another useful guide.